Well, Williams, Philippines, and I'm in the Philippines. Yeah, they got some fun money over here. It is Saturday, July 19th at 11:28. I may get this out on Saturday. It might be Sunday. I don't know. But, yeah, it is definitely different type money. Yeah. I don't know about you, but, yeah. The bills are bad enough, and they're slick and they want to climb out of your pocket. I lost one. Not good. But the coins are even worse. There's one group of them. Yeah. And they want to hit the floor too. There's another, that's 10 peso, and those there are 10 and 20, the first ones. Here's 5 pesos. And there's two different types. Yeah. Yeah. And those are both fives. The same thing with the 1 pesos. And those things, oh Lord. Why did they make them so big for so little value? I don't know. But that's okay. You gotta learn to get rid of them. Start using them. Because everybody here does. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway. Did a whole bunch of walking today. Legs are screaming bloody murder. I came home, went to sleep, and woke up. I wasn't going to do anything today, but I woke up and decided to try anyway. I am having fun with between jet lag and time shift. My job, when I was working at, back in Texas, I would be awake at the same time as the Philippines is. Yeah. And so you'd think coming over here would be easy. Just swap over. I see the sun coming up and I want to go to sleep still. I mean, it's been 20 years of being a night auditor. And to me, just, yeah. So every time I'm try to start doing something, I'm like completely thrown off. Everything is out of sync. Oh. And I'm trying to get out and go do things. And yeah, today I went out and I jumped a few buses. Rode a hobble hobble, which is a motorcycle taxi guy. And yeah, it's definitely a bit interesting. And I caught a couple of actual jeepney kind of things, but they've got more now. They are going more toward buses like that. But let me tell you something. In one of them jeepneys, it's like 35 people. If we'd have had a wreck, I don't think we would have shifted. It was packed that tight. I'm serious. Of course, they can't really get going that fast because every time you turn around, somebody's jumping on or jumping off of it. But somehow they work. They get you where they're going. And yeah, I ended up all the way down, I don't know, maybe 20 miles from here. Took a while, but yeah. It took several different rides to get there. But once I finally figured out how to get there, there and back was easy. You just got to go to the right terminal. That's the fun part, figuring out where the terminal is. Uh, and I had somebody give me wonderful directions. Not. It's okay. I'm starting to get the pieces of the map pieced together. I was trying to do a little something earlier, but a bunch of people were in and out and making a bunch of noise, and had to just cancel that one. It was right after I got back. Oh, the Dubbo's good. Oh, they've got all kinds of good food. I ate a little Calendaria. I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but it's a little shop on the side of the road. A pop-up shop. Some of them are more permanent than Roach Coaches. And some of them are literally on trikes. I don't know. It seems to work and people know where to go. Somebody's getting it figured out. And I'm kind of following along for the fun of it. Anyway, sorry I've missed a bunch. I'm going to try to shut this down and get it in the can so it can get out today. And I'll try to remember to do one tomorrow. We shall see. I may try to get my iPhone and take it with me and see if I can do a live from it off the beach. I am going to try to go to the beach tomorrow. Most of next week is going to be spent again looking for an apartment. This is a wonderful hotel. Great service. But I don't like the cost. So yeah, it is what it is. And I need to find a different place. I need a home so I can unpack everything. Because, yeah, I don't like living out of suitcases. Don't get me wrong, I've done it a long time. And I'm not afraid to do it. But, yeah, it requires constant repacking and searching. I'm tired of searching for things. Stick something somewhere, didn't think about it while you stuck it there, and you spend a half hour or hour looking for it. It's not so bad, but when it's something important, you can't be doing that. That's okay, though. I'm getting it figured out. And I'm having fun with it. Anyway, it is William Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe, come along. Like I said, it's getting better. And I will try to get back to my normal daily, especially if I can get my own place and such. I actually went over and bought an ice chest. Now, why an ice chest? Well, they didn't have ice buckets. And they charge for ice at hotels. I know, it seems strange. But around here, drinkable water is expensive compared to the bathable water. Yeah, they don't want you drinking this stuff comes out of the tap. Let me tell you, I have had to back up and redo several times because my teeth, I just wash them in the sink. Can go, oh, hang on, can't do that. Gotta go over and wash them and put the drinkable water on there because I don't want coming out of the sink to cause me to have issues. I figure eventually it's gonna get me. I've come close several times without even thinking about it. I'm trying to remember don't. Because, yeah. Anyway, Williams Philippines, like, comment, subscribe. You know, do you. Enjoy your life. If you want, yeah, do it. If you don't, don't. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And for those of you sticking around, I appreciate it. The journey is really beginning now. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out to the beach tomorrow.